If you like white chocolate, then this GT Player chair is gonna be irresistible for you. They sent this one to me and I've been trying it, and I think that this one, it's one of those hidden gems, you know. Number one, because it is really comfy. We're gonna check it out in a close-up in a few seconds. Number two, because it has really easy to assemble, really easy to assemble. I swear it took me like about 15 minutes or so. Number three, because it comes with so many good features, like a really good recliner, a weight limit of more than 300 pounds. It's about 330 pounds, actually. A really firm cushion right here for your better circulation and sitting for long periods of time. And number four, you're not gonna believe this. Actually, number four, because it also comes with a really nice removable lumbar support pillow that has a high density foam, as well as this pillow over here that you can, for sure, you can just remove if you want, or you can put it inside here if you also want. But then number five, you're not gonna believe this. It comes with Bluetooth speakers. This chair comes with Bluetooth speakers. And you may think that these speakers are not gonna make the difference, but I gotta say that when you sit right here with your head here, and then you have the two Bluetooth speakers blasting right here on your ears on the sides, that's actually really good. So if you're watching a movie, let's say on your phone or a tablet or something like that, or your laptop, and then you connect the Bluetooth speakers, you're gonna have that sound just going directly through your head and kind of like your ears right here on the side. So let's take a closer look now. So I think this accents right here with the golden accents and the white chair, it's kind of like a white chocolate with golden accents or a little bit of coffee too. So I really like that. I think that looks really good. This pillow, you can remove it if you want, but this is going to be crucial for something that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. So we're going to put it right here. And also this lumbar support is also a really nice addition to have, more than anything, because when you're sitting, you know, you're going to be sitting right here, just like this. If you sit like this, that's okay. It's not going to be an issue. But then if you add this at any point of your back, that's going to be so much better. I got to say that that kind of like feature of removing the lumbar support pillow, it's really good just for you to adjust it if you want it right here on the bottom part or right here on a little bit upper area. This one's the armrest. You can't modify the height, but these ones are really well padded and they're linked to the chair. So whenever you recline, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds, the armrests are going with you so you can keep your elbows and your arms resting at all times. And then last but not least, this right here, all the stitches and the racing style right here with the flaps on the side, and also this really nice cushion makes this chair to be really good for sitting for long periods of time, even right here, which is gonna kind of like have a really nice circulation as well. The Bluetooth speakers, as I was just telling you before, are going to be a really nice addition. Sadly, I can't show you any music or anything because my video can get muted if I do that. But I try them, and trust me, these are going to be a really good addition for you to have if you are playing a movie or playing video games or something like that. Bluetooth speaker is something that you don't see every single day on a gaming chair. And then let me show you something else. This right here, this pocket is going to come with an actual cable, a retractable cable that you can connect to, let's say, a MP3 player or something like that, or even your phone. And you can just connect it there instead of using the Bluetooth and having kind of like a cable right here, a super reach of your hand. So that is another good thing. I don't think it's better than the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth feature is going to be even better, but having this one is also really good. And then check this out. You can do this, and you have a dedicated footrest right here, which is going to be more for your legs than your ankles, but you have a dedicated footrest there. And then when you pair the dedicated footrest with the lumbar pillow right here and the neck pillow right here, and you do this, unlocking it, you're going to have the ultimate experience, kind of like napping position and chilling and just having this fantastic more than 150 degrees recliner, which is going to work perfectly for your home office experience, or just like napping in between gaming sessions, or just watching a movie. Because also this one, check this out, I'm right here. If I go back and I lock it, I can actually do this one in this position, not fully recline in case I want to watch a movie or something like this. And you can actually do it in any position you want. Or you can just go back fully close it, and be back on that nice 90 degrees position that is going to give you the best feature for sitting for long periods of time. I gotta say, this chair is very complete, very convenient, 330 pounds a weight limit, footrest, really nice lumbar support, pillow support on your neck, tall chair as well, and 5'10" by the way. And of course, it looks fantastic with all those white chocolate and golden accents. I like it. Bluetooth speakers for the win.